Hi again, it's Michelle with the Singing Baker. So last week I brought you my favorite stuffing recipe. I make it every Thanksgiving as well as some Christmases, and I make it throughout the year just as a side, which is nice. Today I thought I would bring you my cranberry maple sauce. It is a favorite of mine, actually. Not everyone likes cranberry sauce, but I've actually had some family members tell me that they normally don't like cranberry sauce, but they like this one. So I'm happy to share. This is really easy. It's only 6 ingredients, and it's all done on the stove top, and it takes less than 10 minutes to actually make on the stove top. And then you just pop it in the fridge to chill, and then once it's chilled, you're ready to eat. So you will need some cranberries, some maple syrup, and if you can get pure maple syrup, it actually intensifies the flavor, so grab pure maple syrup if you can. You'll want to also have some light brown sugar, a little bit of water, some vanilla, and 1 orange, and we're going to be taking the juice from the orange as well as the zest. So follow me to the stovetop. Okay, so I'm here at the stovetop. I have turned my heat up to about medium on the stove. Just going to add all of my ingredients in. That's all you do with this recipe. You add all the ingredients into the small saucepan here. These cranberries I bought ahead of time and just popped them in the freezer. So we have cranberries, and then we're going to add some maple syrup. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and you'll get an alert for all the new recipes coming on the channel. And then we're going to add some light brown sugar. There we go. Then we're going to add a little bit of water and then vanilla. Here's our vanilla. And last but not least, I'm going to zest my orange. So get a nice zester here, and then just rub it along. The flavor of the orange really pops in here, and it just smells delicious. Just gonna go ahead and zest all of this. So like I said, I have some family members that swear they don't like cranberries. They never grab that from the table during the holidays, but they have eaten mine, and surprisingly enough, they enjoy it, and they say that that's basically the only one that they've liked. So pretty good recipe here. So I think you'll enjoy it. I always know it's a winner when it's someone who normally doesn't eat that food and then they eat this version. Okay, so you can see all that yummy orange zest in there. And now I'm just going to slice this orange and add the juice from it, and we will bring it to a boil. And then once it boils for a little bit, then we bring it back down to a simmer and simmer it for maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And then what you'll see is you'll start to see the cranberries pop inside the pan, and then you know it's ready, and then you just transfer it to a nice bowl and put it in the fridge, and you'll be good to go after it chills. Here's the juice. So my cranberry sauce has been in the fridge for about an hour. You just want to get it to a nice chill, and then you can serve it. So I'm just going to have a little taste here. I love this one. And the orange really gives a nice little extra flavor to it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and I'll see you next time.